Hello, hello. So tonight I just wanted to do a really quick video for those that were curious how to download and save them to your desktop in a folder. So before I get started on that, I just wanted to address people asking me that they're not seeing when I say things are posted in the description. So if you are on social media, say Facebook, and you find my video there, and you don't see the drop-down box with everything right here, here are the links. That means that you are not on YouTube. So for instance, if you're on Facebook and you click in the video, you would have to open the browser, which is there's like three little dots on the top right-hand corner, and you would click there and it would open in the browser, and then you should be able to see these links. So you have to be on YouTube in order to see all the links that I'm talking about in the description. So since we're on that page, real quick, I just wanted to share with you that this is the printer that I use. It's not expensive, $59. You get that Amazon Prime and you get it shipped for free. This is the one I use to print all of my water slides with. So it's much cheaper than getting a Silhouette, which is I believe $300. Then this is the premium water slide paper. This is the white. So if you paid attention and you saw the snowman mug I made where I compared the white to the clear, the white paper is good for if you're using darker backgrounds such as black or red, but you need to trim very close to your image. I'll be doing those videos really soon. Then we have the premium clear. This is the one that I use on all the white mugs. Tomorrow I will be posting the reindeer designs on my coaster, so you don't want to miss that one. This is the one I use for those. And this is the Prime that I was talking about. Prime is $5.99 a month if you qualify with an EBT or a medical card, and you can cancel at any time. So I talked about that, and I wanted to share this with you as well because $5.99 a month is really great. And all those links are right here in the description below, along with the link for the Creative Fabrica, okay? So we are right here. And I'm just going to show you real quickly how I download. Again, you are getting 23,004 different designs, fonts, sayings, quotes for $12 a month. You cannot beat it. And when I logged on, I noticed a few new ones today. When I went down, this one I didn't see before, Warm Wishes and Marshmallow Kisses. And then Dear Santa, before I explain how much do you know, I believe this one's new. And I didn't see this one before. So let's just click on this one because I've never had it downloaded. And you can download as many times as you want within that 3-month period. So if you were to sign up today, you would have until February 13th in order to use this. So we're just going to go here and we are going to click on download. And we are going to save it. And then you're going to come up here where this little arrow is. That's where my downloads are. And you're going to click on it. And then everything pops up here as far as how you can save it. Now, I had somebody ask me, well, what are the files? Are they SVG files? They upload them, so it doesn't really matter how you want to save it. They give you all the options when they upload it as an SGV file. So yes, but what I do is I save it as an SVG. So I click here, but I save it as a PNG file. So I'll show you. So here it is. What I do is I right-click, I save the picture as, I have a file, which is Creative right here. I'm going to click on that, and see where it says Vector Graphic right here? I'm going to click here. I'm going to go to PNG. Here's all the little files. Now this is my laptop. I don't have my Silhouette attached to this, so I was just like downloading some things when I first started, but I have over, I don't know, 100 on my desktop. This is my laptop, and I'm just going to save it. So that is all you have to do to save it, and then we will, let's see here, go to my desktop, click on the Creative, and here is our little file. So I have it on my desktop. So that was what I wanted to show you tonight, that it is super duper simple, and that's all you have to do to download your files. And then again, You have the 3 months to use it. All the links are in the description below. If you are on a social media account, make sure that you are on YouTube. So just go to youtube.com, subscribe to the channel, and when you click on YouTube, you will see the little bell in order for you to know that there's a new video up. So I just wanted to share that that is how easy it is to save your files. And you can sit there all day and save as many as you want, so that if you don't want to resubscribe in 3 months, you have the variety of what you do want. But I would say for the amount that you're going to pay, that's pretty good, because we can do a lot of things, and we have a lot of things coming up. So be sure to watch tomorrow when we do our reindeer coasters. Bye now.